Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Robinhood user frustrated because you can't trade options, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk through simple, effective fixes for 2025, so you can get back to trading in no time. Let's dive right in. First, understand the common reasons for this issue. Robinhood has strict rules to protect users, like requiring a minimum account level or full verification. It could also stem from app glitches or temporary restrictions, but don't worry, we've got step-by-step solutions. Step 1. Check your account level. Robinhood typically requires you to be at least level 3 to trade options. Open your app, go to Account, Settings, and review your level. If you're below that, you'll need to build your trading history by making deposits or completing trades on stocks. Step 2. Verify your identity completely. Head to the Security or Profile section and ensure all verification steps are done. This might involve uploading a government ID or answering personal questions. It's quick and essential for unlocking features. Step 3. Update the Robinhood app. Outdated versions can cause glitches, so check your app store for the latest update and install it. This often resolves technical hiccups in seconds. Step 4. Review any trading restrictions. Look for notifications in your app about holds, location-based limits, or market conditions. If you see anything, follow the prompts or wait it out. Step 5. Contact Robinhood support if the problem persists. Go to the Help section, chat with a representative, and provide details like your account info and the error message. They're usually responsive and can escalate your case. Remember, options trading involves risks, so always educate yourself first and trade responsibly. There you have it. Easy fixes to get you trading options on Robinhood in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.